pinstriping hasn't come out too bad. There's some tiny little bits to just spot up a fraction here and there, but yes, it's not too bad. You've got to have a steady hand, that's for sure. And the pinstriping on this is so fine to replicate. It's very thin compared to what is on a normal sort of like. But anyway, coming along. Okay, the other side pinstriping has been, all the masking tape's been removed. This is the result. Needs a little bit of tidying up here and there, but we'll do that slowly but surely. Down the base there, I'll fix that up.